Good morning. I will bless the Lord at all times, and his praise will continually be in my mouth. God did it again, and we are grateful and thankful for another expression of God's goodness, his grace, his love, and his mercy. You know, as we look at society around us, as we look at the world around us, we see all of the hatred, we see all of the confusion, all of the chaos that is going on. And some may ask the question, where is God? They don't feel that God is near. They don't feel that God is answering their prayer. They don't feel that God hears their cry. Well, I want to read something to you, and I hope it'll give you some encouragement, especially those who are children of God. I want to read something to you that'll give you some hope, some encouragement to help you to hang on in there, even in the midst of difficulty. Hang on in there, even when times look bad and things look bad. Just hold on just a little while longer. The Bible tells us in Psalms 34 and the verses 18, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. God is near. And I want to suggest to you something, that God isn't hiding from us. He's waiting to be seen by us. He's not hiding from us. He's waiting to be seen by us. You know, we are turning to all of these different people for help. We're turning to all of these different people, and we're putting our hope and trust in people when we need to be turning to God. God isn't hiding from us. He's waiting to be seen by us. Do you know who to go to in times of trouble? I want to suggest to you that we all need to turn to God. If we look to the hills from whence cometh our help comes from the Lord. God will supply. God will take care of us. God is our shelter in time of trouble. And so anytime that we are in trouble, just know God is near. The Bible also tells us to draw near to him and he'll draw near to us. We have to do something if we want God to do something. We have to submit to him. We have to draw near to him, and God will draw near to us. So he's not hiding from us. He's waiting to be seen by us. And so I want to encourage you that in your time of difficulty, in your time of trouble, in your time of sadness, turn to God because he wants to see you. Turn to God because he wants to hear from you. Turn to God because he wants to protect you. So even when things look bad, and even when things won't seem like they're going your way, if you turn to God, God will make a way out of no way. And God will deliver you, God will protect you, and God will see you through. God bless you. You have a great day.